Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm looking here at the Northbridge, Northbridge in the Village Apartments. This is their one bedroom. It's over 800 square feet. And this is part two. We already saw the living room and the kitchen, but now we're gonna see the patio. So let's go see that. I'm gonna walk outside and see this patio. This is just one of two. I mean, how adorable is this? So this is one of them. This is really cute. I mean, it's got a full setup here. It's really big, and it has its own cute little pools here too. So look at it's got just its own adorable pools that are out here. This is amazing. So it's really cool to see that because you've got the big pools that are we caught that on video, but then you've got these small adorable pools that are here too. You do have also a second patio that's here. Let me see if I can access it. Okay, we're gonna pop this up. Yep. So patio number two that's here, this is pretty amazing. You can see, kind of what this looks like, but it's also a good size. And now we're gonna go into the bedroom. So let's go access into the bedroom and see what that looks like, show that off for you. This is what the bedroom looks like. Okay, there's a lot of space in here. So you could put a queen, even a king in here. You've got some space, a lot of nice space. This does go out into that patio, so that's really cool. It's really, really attractive. Really pretty. It's got an accent wall here too. That's cool. We walk into the bathroom. The bathroom looks like this. It's got a really nice flooring that's in here. It's really cute shower area. Really cute everything. It's just really, really adorable. Here's the closet. The closet has a good space in here. There's a lot of storage. You walk in. I walk in probably about 4 steps. So that's what that looks like. And then I walk back out here and we're back out into the kitchen area. Hey, so if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. And if you want to set up a tour at any time also, send me a text as well. I'll take care of that. It can start with a virtual tour.